Okay, we're just going to do a little jaunt. I'm going to keep filming even though it's probably a bit longer than I want. Going to get on the 405 freeway south. Going to go down to the 710. Get a little experience on this motorcycle. It's a little windy. The windscreen does need to go up, but as you can see, cruise is pretty good. It does rev a little higher than I like. But it will get up and go. Just fine and dandy. Looking forward to getting the foot pegs mounted that will bring them forward and down. Will be a little nicer. Down toward Long Beach here. Let's do a little break-in ride. Heading toward the port of Los Angeles, port to Long Beach now. It's a bit windy out today. I'm sure with the windscreen down, getting a lot more wind noise as we ride. Sorry about that. We will work on that. We'll see how that goes. Ahead of me had no clue what was going on here. not really sure on how this transition works, so this will be interesting. Since I've only done this once, but I was following somebody. I think this takes us over the bridge, I'm not sure. I think this will take us over the bridge here. Nope. Screwed up. But you get to see the Port of LA. I think we can get on up here. It's kind of weird shifting. This is riding my Goldwing. That's Long Beach ahead of us off to the left there. SF train over there in the yard. This has got to be the second bridge here. This is St. Thomas Bridge, I believe. There used to be a toll booth here many years ago when I was a child. Vincent Thomas Bridge. My mistake. There's the old ferry office, the old bridge office. Battleship Iowa is going to be off to our left over this bridge. How wide these grates are here. I can take my little Super Cub over this bridge or not. I think we could, but not sure. Really funny. I haven't had a clutch in a while and my left hand is cramping a tiny bit from using it. Because on my Super Cub, I just shift, there's no clutch. And on my Goldwing, there's no clutch. So it's been 5 months since I've actually ridden a motorcycle. Well, my Suzuki 90 has a clutch. But that doesn't seem to make much of a difference because I don't ride it far. There's a Battleship Iowa over here to my left. And there's Rad over on my right here. There's the Maritime Museum here on the left. New construction. This building over here on to the right is LA City Fire Museum, one of them.